All right, let's talk about one of the biggest decisions photographers face: 35 millimeter versus 85 millimeter. Both lenses are amazing, but they deliver totally different looks and serve different purposes. So let's break it down. The 35 millimeter is your everyday storyteller. It's wider, more natural, and perfect for street photography, travel, lifestyle shoots, group photos, and environmental portraits. It gives you a real-life perspective, keeps the background in the frame, and works great in tight spaces. If you're a creator who films indoors or shoots handheld video, 35 millimeter is super flexible and easy to work with. The 85 millimeter, on the other hand, is your portrait king. It gives you beautiful compression, creamy background blur, and gorgeous subject separation. This is the lens you use when you want flattering close-ups, dreamy bokeh, and that professional portrait look. It's perfect for weddings, headshots, detail shots, and any situation where you want your subject to stand out. So which one should you buy? Go 35 millimeter if you want versatility, everyday shooting, vlogging, travel, or storytelling. Go 85 millimeter if you want stunning portraits, amazing compression, or clean background separation. The truth is, they're both fantastic. It just depends on how you shoot. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more camera gear videos.